At least at nighttime, it does look like the cuck truck. The LEDs, even though I have a feeling I'm way overpowering them, it does look proper, at least the front. If I go to the back, come back here. Even the back looks halfway decent. But of course, if you look at it head on, you can see the imperfections, but again, for what is essentially homemade foam board cuck truck body, it came out just fine. The reason why we see bleed through is because when I initially went in there and put the first round of LEDs in here, I accidentally ripped off some of the spray paint that I did, so that's my fault. It also doesn't help that I'm working with relatively thin sheets of paper when I remove the foam, but still looks halfway decent. So let me get this. So let me get my stupid cell phone and my little shitty hack cam and show you what it drives like around outside. Granted, at nighttime. Let me make sure I have autofocus turned on, and I do. I completely destroyed the tires on this car, so the grip is non-existent at this point. It's also getting a bit froggy outside, so I'm not going to stay out here for long. When it comes to this RC car and the lights, for the most part, I'm not going to use the lights because I don't know how long they can actually survive being powered by essentially 7.5 volts. I'm going when it comes to voltages, I am significantly higher than the 4.7 max that the LEDs can handle. The fact that these LEDs have yet to die on me is surprising. Of course, with nighttime, I'm not really going to do any off-roading or anything whatever you call it with this car, because again, I really can't see that well at night. I am most likely going to be rebuilding the bigger cuck truck body I made a while ago. Mainly because I used this one give me a second. Mainly because I used this one as a test bed to figure out the lighting. And I like how the lighting came out, and I'll be able to improve upon this area right here when I go to rebuild the bigger cuck truck body. And hopefully I might be able to even go and actually use the exact same LED setup I have right now where it comes to the voltage. Because this is pretty bright, but again, I have no idea how long these white LEDs will last compared to the LEDs on the reverse, because the LEDs on reverse have their own low resistor. So I know at least the red LEDs will be able to survive long term, unlike the white LEDs. But with that said, I guess I can put into this stinking video I made and basically say this is how you build an RC cuck truck body. Even though this tutorial is hot garbage.